Watch out, just walk out of the lane.
Walk out.
Boy, me say always happen to me. It's like say, them know when me a film.
Yeah.
Hold on, then the flitters and say, how them make... Well, I go cross or so. How much I want? $100. You want sample one of them too?
The flitters alone already are no fathers.
No, me say why not them?
Broke off piece of mine. Cause I had one I go in my bag.
Oh.
You guys
people don't know about the flitters, man. That's why you're there. Yo, it no matter.
Start with a ring out in there.
Yeah.
When me I say flitters and passy. You mind, man?
For real.
Look good now, man.
Yes, man.
I'm thinking of catching.
Walk by, you see me? You don't drive by. I walk by.
When you bucket of food. Beg you one jump plum on the please.
Yeah.
Eh?
He said bucket up. He said bucket.
That is it, fire. I love every time. Hear that? You have none when that's icy. I read no more and brush it. Welcome all Jamaica Walk by Massive. Yes, me know so no ask me, or no tell me, or no show me, or no everything when we can think of. We say from Featherbed Lane, Johns Road to Spanish Town Bypass is not the end of Job Lane. Yes, me did know, but I me say me didn't have the way they go. So if I make sense, me go so, then figure out my way again. So I say, yeah, what I do? I stop it right and so, find back the vehicle, then I can get to do that way here, and then one other time I can go so, because I already did walk Portend this road already. So I never sure what I want to do. So I say, all right then, look good. So today, in this video, we are going to walk the rest of Job Lane with my brother, see the Bella at Mix Vlogs. You understand? So that is what we are going to do today. Everything good, my brother?
Just like that, man. Everything good, man. We're ready for your walk, you know?
You ready for your walk?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you don't walk across, so now get catching or show off on yourself. I
want to cover a canal. Okay.
Yeah.
First time you find everybody a canal, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So, you ever walk Job Lane before?
Since me big?
Yeah, since remember you tell me say fear ain't this man?
No, so since me big, me now walking.
So how long now since the last time you walk them places?
Alright, last time I walk, physically walk around there, so I maybe around 2000.
2000?
Yeah, me walking.
You know, when I say 2000, you know how much? Over 20 years that you never done?
Years ago.
So we are going to walk it today?
We are walking today.
Alright,
yes,
massive.
Man.
So I beg you to subscribe to Bella at Mix Vlogs. You understand? On YouTube, we are trying to get him to 5,000 subscribers. Yeah, so we're going to walk just a normal vibe, see what Job Lane have to offer. If we can talk to some people, we talk to some people, showcase a few businesses. I don't know. But anything is possible when time we are walk. Yeah. Anybody will know me, we probably talk to them as you can see how the journey them go. But without further ado, remember, please like the video if you just start watching the channel right now. Like the video, I beg you know. You see me watching machine? Yeah, you're one of my first car that you know living, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
That is it, man.
Yeah, man.
BCR! Yeah, there. Yeah. Oh gosh, man.
Hold it.
BCR.
Yo,
you see me?
Man,
bro, me say me have a 2000 living, man. I one of the maddest beasts, man.
Yeah.
So you ready?
We're ready.
Let's do this massive.
Yes,
so
man.
like the video as we proceed to give you what you need. Man.
Yeah. Loads and skirts, baby. Watch it now.
Rockstone, I want to look bush up.
Push up, man. You can't see me again.
Yeah, I don't know. I say look like rain and fall at the top of the hill. The place kind of
yeah.
The water dirty.
Water dirty, yeah, man. Water dirty.
Hold on, cause it's narrow, you know. No, I say yes, so narrow. Come cut in a line.
Go on.
Yeah, cause watch out. See that massive. The canal there. And no rail in this side there.
No, it used to have a rail.
It look like a water push you off.
Yeah, two sides used to have rail. So here's so now it look like the rail in either something lick it off or we can hold and tear off.
See a van I want to go across. You see? Look like a flat bridge.
Yeah, man. Yeah, the next side gone and a real flat bridge done.
That's yeah, so a lot of persons ask why flat bridge don't have railing, you know. And me always try to tell people it's not that they don't want to put it there, but what happens is that when they put the rail in there, and the debris them a come down the stream, it a go stop there and bank up, and it also tear off the railing too.
But here we go now, no?
Yeah.
Well, maybe nowadays, modern days, people have that analogy. But back then, when we grew up and we hear say, I slave them build it,
Yeah.
so every rail them put can't stay. That's what me hear.
I feel debris. So
Yeah.
you see, if you did forget it like we one time in the hurricane time, and you see a water pass, that no railing couldn't do there, all around the side of block up.
Oh.
So the same time the water rise above the bridge, flat. So
Yeah.
the debris then can
Run
pass
straight
over
over
it
on
or
the
underneath
side.
it
Yeah,
and go on. So by the time the water will draw, the road is still there.
That make more sense.
You see me?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Right.
Yeah.
Only thing can do to flat bridge right now, bro, I feel they make a bridge similar but way higher up in the air.
Yeah.
Right, all the way.
When the river run over.
Yeah, it's underneath, yeah.
Yeah.
That's all.
And at the same time, them claim to say they can't put another one there. So me don't know.
No, me no feel so. That it is.
So me don't know why they can't put one there. So
It is possible. I just them no want to do it. I just think that the main reason is right now, if you not now go do to them places, is for you to drive the highway.
yeah.
You understand? You have to go drive the highway.
If If
And-
they put a pretty road around
Yeah, well, I will not go on this up. I want sweet piece of driving, my brother.
Yeah, say, man.
Cool
Yeah,
and nice,
cool
you know.
and nice,
Oh
man.
gosh, man.
And watch, you know, and them a build up around there because even last Ken Village.
Ken Village, yeah. I was there the other day.
Oh, may I tell you?
Yeah,
and
man.
I look up on the river.
Yes,
real
man.
sweet.
What is it? I want to thank this.
That me just gonna ask you if you know this is
Hold on there. Let me see what I got now, so.
So you see,
My friend, you live around here? I want one over here, so. You not talk to me, man. Tattoo in your back loud. Big up yourself.
so Fabian, you see this here
Yeah.
at the reservoir. So you see just like how what am I say? It filter water to supply the whole community. Yeah.
It is massive.
Yeah, man. Even over the side there. Because
Yeah,
the National
well-
Water Commission control it, you know.
Over there, so.
Yeah, man. So over the side there, when you go up there, so now you see them have some pool. Like some pool, but that drinking water them having there, then throw chlorine in them more time.
If you filter it up and
Filter it
clean
out.
out the bacteria and
Yeah,
thing.
man.
Man. It is massive, massive. Trust me. All right, we're moving along. Yeah,
Yeah. You
So
know
the-
that road there? Yes,
the
sir.
journey start. Well, yeah, me have you if you tell me.
Okay. so that crossing has a name. Well, see sign there to Irish pen.
Irish
But
pen.
yeah. But this
Yeah, me see a police light a flash and thing up there so right and I wonder what go on now, Father God. I hope I don't go on in a car. Sometimes Spanish Town have one name, I say, can't cool, can't quit.
but you know mostly though, Fabian. In the town, most of the things them always happen.
Okay, and I really nice
And the
community
outskirt,
them.
No, the outskirts always nice.
Wait, they use a word, me think I'm me alone use a word there now.
Eh?
Every time I say me up on the outskirt, people say, what you mean by that? Maybe I'm outside
yeah,
of...
you know, in a square.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're up on the outskirts. So this is a Irish pen. Well,
It's a Irish
you can carry
pen.
back from Brunswick, you know. You carry back all the way there, so, and go back out from the Brunswick. You know
Brunswick.
them about hardware.
Yeah.
A post office used to do that the first time, you know. Where the hardware is now is a post office used to do that.
That they means I'm not really far from where they build up the new housing development.
Oh, across the road?
Yeah,
exactly.
right.
And this one now, carry back on the highway, same way.
Yes, sir.
This yeah, carry back on the highway because when my sister used to go Irish pen basic there, so when I walk from around my place, I walk across that, so go straight to
Straight
there, so.
home.
You see me? Yeah, man, and at daytime, if me have to either, if me depend on morning shift, somebody carry her to school, but me have to pick her up.
You pick her up,
And me
carry
depend
her
on evening
up.
shift now, me carry her to school, a morning time, somebody else pick her up in the evening, you see me?
That is
So, yeah,
it.
man, as I said, the whole of them places, man.
Nice.
As a
Go.
boy, up and down, all about.
Right, true. So massive, if you're just joining, we're actually walking with Bella at Mixed Vlogs. You see me I say? As we walk the other section of Job Lane. You see me? Well, all I want to tell me say, oh, me if you just walk one side of Job Lane and I walk the other side. So, me I do it today and me I do it with one of my general. You see me?
Yeah,
Bella.
outside with Jamaica, walk by.
How you mean?
I remember, you know, Mal is promoting my wife's channel.
Yeah, man, Jamaica intent.
Yeah.
Yeah, so some people say for Jamaica intent. No, Jamaica in 10, the number 10.
Yeah.
So it's pretty much telling you about Jamaica in a 10 minutes. You see me, sometimes a little less, sometimes a little bit over, but I know some to get the
Quick and fast.
idea. You see me, yeah.
Real.
Short, sweet and spicy. I wonder why going up as the police them pull over siren and flash. We're not in for no problem today.
Maybe they just go and stop at their friend and have a drink. You know, sometimes.
With the siren and flash?
Yo, yeah, man, you know, sir, Jamaica police. No, man.
Jesus Christ.
No, the eye front of yard there, no, because.
Which one? The color one?
Man, if they see me,
Yard pretty.
yeah, man. They see me. But we have to get some mango from over there, too. You know?
Boy, over there pretty and colorful, sir.
Okay.
Watch out, just walk out of the lane.
Walk out.
Boy, I say always happen to me. It's like say, them know when me a film.
Yeah.
Almighty. My friend, beg you tour in our community now.
She see you, you know. and she
Big
have
up
one
yourself,
eye
man. Nothing wrong with that, man. That's how you go. Best up yourself, yeah, my friend. Yeah.
I tell you, they just have one vibe.
I don't see them. They just going easy still. Well, I'm glad to see you, so. No, nothing. Greetings, manners. Blessed, bro. Oh, work, man. So one crib is here. I work to them, man. Ticket a run, they say whole book him a get a when go do. And if I stop lighting go broke.
Oh, that's all?
And then drive him down. Come to me teacher. And drive him down, man. Me now walk out there now, me can't bother. Yeah. Yeah, where's that side?
Yeah, man, fire. Yeah, man, I'm not like, because them are going for house now, but on the front, I'm more the business place, you see me?
Yeah.
So, quiet, man.
Nice little vibe. One thing with Spanish Town, it look like he always a keep.
Every day, my yo. Yeah, man. And business are locked so early neither.
And people, I want to tell us, in our community, them manners, teacher, respect, see? In our community, them where people have say quiet and nothing and go on. Better not even shop we not have. Actually, I don't know, I wish more. One and then the flitters and say, and then well, I go cross or so. And then I can sample to all them flitters there. You know, see what I go on?
Yeah.
So you pass the shop here, you know, see the flitters and them thing. I'm team. I feel in place and him see flitters, man. Him not show me.
Yeah. Cynthia.
Road teacher, Jamaica walk by and I can't pass the flitters them, you know. I do a look of vlogging. I not catch you still, but the flitters are hurt made. I can sample one of them. How much I want? $100. You want sample one of them too? Bro, I love my authentic food, them, you know, my teacher. I just know me stay, I can't pass it.
Oh, so she not here now?
I understand.
Oh. Does she open now?
I look for me do the changer. Ah.
See there?
You want flitters?
Yeah, man, so watch out.
I don't know if you...
Jamaica walk by. Who don't know
Brother.
flitters? What you say?
I don't know if you want sample of flitters.
The flitters alone already are no father.
No, I say why not them? Me taste this here one, man.
Alright, no worry yourself, my boss. Just give me another one.
Give me a piece of paper, man. We broke off a piece of paper.
Hey, broke off a piece of mine. Cause the other one I go in my bag.
Oh.
You can't play. All this is a right, so you mad? Respect my sister.
Yo. Flitters them.
Brother,
Remind me back in the days.
Bad man, you myself from the seat. You can't play this, man.
Yeah, man.
You guys
people
play.
don't know about the flitters, man. That's why you're there. Yo, it no matter. I know.
So if it's a ring out in there.
Yeah, I know that because you see everything authentic and dress up in nothing. I go walk by.
Yeah, man, this is all good on my bag.
Yeah, man, you're not dress up in nothing, you see me?
Yeah, man.
See that?
Let me tell you this blouse and skirt.
Alright.
I got foreign go eat some blouse and skirt food where some man where you can't tell a why in there.
Nothing here.
Oh, me be pass him. Hey, how me be pass him a place, sir?
Flitters.
When me I say flitters and passy. You mad, man?
For real.
Look good now, man.
Walk by.
Yes, man.
I'm thinking of catching.
The kids you walk
Look,
by.
Walk by, you see me? Yeah,
No,
man, I don't drive by. I walk by.
We also start one Jamaica walk by.
Man,
Massive me now tapping
What
man.
time close?
Kuya man.
10 o'clock. Me just tell you. Me tell you say they shop.
Same thing I really about. I was today Friday. Yeah, good.
So now robot now can lock her later, you see, but by the time everything.
Yo, me just tell Fabian say, yo.
Then I juice. Eh?
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, right. Oh, me. Oh, so I shop the car through, man.
If it has, I go on. Yo,
Right.
tough enough.
Yeah,
If it
no.
has, go on, brother. You sure you can grab that one there?
Me don't know if it don't make it here.
Yo, me not sure you can carry it up because it has taste good. And what you know? You know what? I want to buy one for myself, you know. Sell me one there.
Oh, yeah, me have more change.
That's it.
Oh, gosh,
Yo, people. Guess what now?
man. Go here.
Yo, I take piece and walk by flitters and I say, you know, me don't feel like saying one.
Yeah, man.
Alright, now me I tell you, I have to go for one for myself.
I'm a one, you know.
And you know, so I'm not going to even eat off the whole like because I can't keep it to myself, you know, but I have to share it, you know. Yeah, I have to share it, love.
What's one, two?
I can't do that. Yeah, more bad? No, but by the time I take off a half, I go left, man. It's alright.
Yeah, make it back there. Me put in that. Me put in my one now.
Yo, who don't know this? Flitters, starfish in America, Kellyanne.
Bad man. Wait, you do crab?
Next month.
Next month? That way too long, man. Just try. I'll crab bush sugar, man. Everything in that stream, man. I food. What one day do for me then? Hold on there. Because I'm going to eat. Hold on. I'm going to eat the other one.
I'm not telling you say nah go nowhere. I tell you already.
Yeah, we do. Just make that one that's in my bag. But just give me another one. Yeah, that one I did for you. I did for you? Oh, my one, that one now. All right then, me mash up that one now. And put this inside. But I believe you, no cap. I want to tell you, say, I glimpse it. If it has, I say, see me here, like a massacre.
If it has that, man, yeah, fast.
If it has that over there, so. Yo, $100, look on the size. Look on the blood. Yo, look on the size letters, baby. Watch out. Watch out. Look on the size letters. Babies. Yeah?
It has nice to read.
Jesus Christ.
Real, man.
There. Steady on. That is the starfish season up in there. Pepper. Now take some other seasoning, bro.
Baby, I have a bag. Send me one.
Scotch bunny pepper, dog, you tea, man. Jesus Christ.
Put one next to another one and just put it on.
Watch out now, father.
Sorry, people. Yo! Baby, you know how long me not taste of it as my youth? I mean, I say me never, you know, but...
Hold on, a natural litter. Come in, natural juice. Right time. Right time.
When name?
When name? Bucket of food.
No. Yeah.
The one there, which one that you have in here now? Pineapple and?
What baby?
Ah, yeah, bigger, I'm a big jumbo one. Bigger one jumbo one there, please.
Baby.
Eh?
He's a bucket of, he's a bucket.
That is it, fire. Heart I love every time, hear that?
All this. He's a bucket of food.
You have none when it's icy. I read no more and brush it. Bucket of food.
But he's lying, brother. Yo, he's lying, you know. He's lying.
Talk to me.
The bucket not there in foot, my.
Dip on the side today.
Oh,
yeah.
Look on the name.
Yeah, let me see it. Alright, man, I promote you.
Hold on.
No, if I got hide in my yard.
See there? Figure that me teacher, you mean?
Alright, let's say when you come off a cycle there, your foot.
Hold on, you get paid?
Yeah, me pay.
Okay, good. Yeah, me teacher. Heart I love and respect, hear that?
Two.
And your bedroom bully in there too, though.
Remember, you not give me the next one.
That's really not Jesus Christ.
What? How much is it? How much is it? 6
I got you one there for drink, you know. Hold on.
Yeah, me a forward.
I know say that's love you jump down. So we now can carry all right.
The journey soon done, you know, like, so that's why if we don't walk further, we could have walked with the load.
But want a spirulina too. You have more spirulina?
Yeah, man.
Oh, look at spirulina.
Hold on, you want 1,000 already. So,
Yeah, man, cool this here. I got here 450 and cheese.
Banana more change.
yeah, man, 750 that. So,
You want banana more change than that. Let me see. Wait. My remember this. Look how much in this. What more you forget? Take you out of this.
you forget. Alright, 2 more. 200. 200 you forget, man.
Yeah. Yeah, just give me other spirulina. Massive, we can't make up this our life. This is how life is beautiful. Respect my boss.
Yo,
See it?
we are
Alright, tell them why nice spirulina.
So, I want to tell them
Jamaica walk by your Bella Vlogs, YouTuber.
Bella Mix Vlog.
Tell me why nice spirulina. Make them here.
Spirulina got pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, chia seed, flax seed, ripe banana, green banana, oat, peanut. See? I have a secret ingredients.
Well, you can't tell her one there.
Spirulina. See? But you
Hey,
know, get everything.
every man out there have a secret ingredient now.
Come on, my
But
foot.
guess what? Yo,
Give me my one.
baby, you know what go on? You know what go on? We taste the fritters, you know. And we're happy running.
Jesus Christ.
And the spirulina said it too.
Everybody just assure.
Yeah, man. So,
Yeah, them a show me now, so little bit.
Big up every time, respect.
Gang them.
Yeah, man.
Me I walk with my fritters here. Buy fritters, walk it. But we are sample spirulina. What's your name? A spirulina? Just spirulina?
Just spirulina.
Oh.
No, then they call the whole thing spirulina. But spirulina in the pumpkin seed. I may do bully that.
Yeah. When you drink, you're ready to go breathe up.
Yeah,
Yo,
man.
You just have a young baby, you know, you're ready
Tell
to
the man,
another
say, my boy, I'm over here that say, yo, go in the house, broke down the bed and still I do it.
Yeah.
Rip up seed. Look how that start there.
I taste the oats in the nuts, though. Taste it. You know?
So, my sample.
Yeah.
Don't forget to shake. Shake well. So this
June plum, eh? Bella at Mix Vlogs. Yeah, man. Let's check. Yeah, taste the June plum.
me
You
blood. I wonder.
see, I taste the June plum.
Gone. Beautiful.
Jamaica.
Bro.
This is Jamaica, eh?
Beautiful.
Yo, which part is I can go get a natural juice? 350.
My grandmother but in dead. I'm gone.
Aye, so see it there? Watch it.
Refresh. Thing, you know.
Yes, good dog. No cap.
When you start drinking,
We not just do this and I say this because I video. Because sometimes when you not film and you sit down somewhere, you don't eat have you say, Jaja no start dog on already.
Hey, remember, say, I never plan to buy no flitters in my ear. And I taste your flitters, and I couldn't even help it. You see me? I couldn't help it, my ear. I have to grab a couple. You know?
You done.
Yeah?
Right. I can't none of this have Lexi.
You can't make you see video. So you gotta do that.
Better.
You have to go hide.
I better just drink here and take a cussing and
Yeah,
done.
man. You can't make you see.
Me I carry spirulina.
Yeah, and she take a sip of that. But you know your woman them sometimes I like them.
Me blows
them
and
strong
skirt.
juice there.
Oh gosh. Why the much trouble are? But me teacher. Maddest fitters from the cut. But me feel brand new again the blouse and skirt in the youth. Where garbage? Your garbage have nearby ya? Alright. Oh it.
Alright,
Yeah.
Put yourself in my boss. Yeah, man.
Yeah man.
That is it here.
That them video you drop over weekend between tomorrow and Sunday. See it? Yeah, YouTube, Jamaica walk by. See massive fritters them Jeez and please. Outside. Manners.
Yourself.
Oh, I feel brand new. I feel fresh.
Real.
Godfather laugh like if I said they get catch. Yeah.
And you see people about that.
What a great vibe, man. Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
See Spurling here, you know. Oh, gosh. Oh, my say me love Jamaica till a week.
Sweet place, man.
Eh?
Sweet place.
Grandma, how you doing, Grandma?
I'm fine.
Hi, good afternoon. See, oh, you know, see, she beat a spirulina too. I mean, see, man. Eat a flitter, so me drink and eat a while ago with that jumbo. Me have to sit up. Hey, Grandma, what you doing? Yeah, cut up color though. I mean, they say what Jamaica walk by. That is it, man. Then cost me off what they say me walk only one side of Joe Blaine. I mean, not do the rest of Joe Blaine. All right, so oh, that make all of us. I mean, know I'm very handsome. So far you can put yourself in that category. That means everything is 100. Grandma, what you drinking? So wait. Watch out. Massive, watch out. Cheers. 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 Yeah. What's your name, Grandma?
My name is
Fay. So we're there with Mummy Fay on Joe Blaine. All of us sample right afoot. I'm not pull my spirulina yet because I'm going to take it to the van to me and my beautiful wife, because we're all beautiful people, going to sample this one. Mommy, there's a cut up the callaloo and things, so all of the ladies them were kind of busy and can't get the chance to have to go work and can't get to do it. Grandma does so do it and bag it and sell. So my mother did it, you know. My mother sell a market, you know.
That's right.
Yeah, man. She named me, a whole of a market she selling her. Yeah.
And the one
So,
that have the long fingernails.
yes, and them can't get the time out to do it.
Yeah.
Because some of these beautiful ladies work in the office, you know.
They don't want to take off their nails.
Yeah, and they have to work very late hours. They can't have the time to do all of that on Sunday. Don't think, Grandma? Yeah, so Mama do the whole of the convenience for them.
For them.
You know, put a little something on the extra.
Yeah, man.
Okay, I have to. You're a real businesswoman.
Yeah.
Which is right. And this nice young lady over here with her rasta looking all great and things, she watch Jamaica walk by. So I have to treat my persons who watch Jamaica walk by, my subscriber, a little bit different. I have to deal with them a little more special, you know? Because them make it grow. Big up yourself, Fire. You sell socks. We'll do some vlogging here now. You see me? So, big up yourself. Big up somebody now, man. Big up somebody.
I'm husband, watch it too.
Yeah, big him up.
Shaggy.
Big up Shaggy.
They run a bunch of prison.
Yeah, work of a Spanish Town Penitentiary, right, prison. So big up to Shaggy every time.
The one was singing.
Okay.
Oh, you mean, he would have said it wasn't me? Yeah. Grandma,
The man where the guy knew you could, are your father-in-law or your father?
I'm a stepfather.
Stepfather?
Yeah, man. I've been with Uncle Tony in coming our life when I think I was 6 years old. From 6 years old, so I pretty much play a father role in my life. So the first time him that we can go foreign, man. A 14-day man for that foreign, you know. A 7-day man, you know.
You can't bother with it.
I don't care, bother, man. Every time you tell the man to come, we go to the man. Say too cold, man. Too cold, man. Now come. Mama, you travel yet?
Yes, sir.
Sweet.
Here, man.
Care, man, you like it?
Would I go back? No.
You love it plane right, too?
But I may come back and not go back, you know.
Oh.
I may come and not go back.
Yeah. Boy, Grandma, we go walk alone. Thank you so much, Art. I love. Grandma, take it easy.
Okay.
You know, me have to love people like you know come here. They I wish I would me can live this phone age. Yeah, so me, if I more love it, I go cast. Well, that me I go do.
Take care.
Take care, yeah. Take it easy. Boy, me have to love me Jamaican people, them my brother. Yeah, man.
Real.
Oh gosh, man, you can't.
Walk with the people, them, talk with the people, them, I tell you.
You can't make up them my energy. Yeah.
And you see, the thing is this, it takes some real people where, with heart, it just tell them that you can vibe with.
Yeah.
You know?
5
It's
2
life.
minutes.
5 or 2 minutes.
Yeah, man.
2 minutes, man, it's life.
That me say too.
It's rich. And yo, them are memories, you know. Them are memories. Yo, nothing greater than it, because sometimes, yo, you ever done one here and just sit down by your veranda and start remember back. You come
Oh
up and,
gosh, man. What they any current gone, man, and me I tell her, me look on niece them about what we used to do when current gone. We under the moonlight out of those sit down on the step, man. Duppy story, Anansi story,
You see me?
and that's a whole of energy.
Yo,
Eh?
I don't know if you used to talk about big boy story, you know. Yo,
Big boy, and my grandfather normally give with them joke there.
and that one is-
Anansi spider, a white man and Chinese man joke.
Me I tell you, say, yo, white man, them one day, mostly are like them company tourist spot and come and do the helicopter.
Yeah. A white man joke we normally get at one of them say white man, China man and Indian man.
Or black.
And black man.
Yeah.
Turn up by pool and the king say, anyone now can swim through the pool here with the heap of crocodile going to marry to my daughter. China man jump off, the crocodile near him. When Indian man jump off and now, crocodile near him. White man say, I can do it. Because I swim to the crocodile in Florida all the time. Jump off crocodile near him before I come out of the pool. When I look, you go see the black man they cross the pool and breathless.
The man near me
After that, in the pan, right across the pool and say, oh yes, you win, you're going to marry to my daughter. Man say, I think of that, man. I boy will shoot me off in the pool. I want to catch a mash him up. I shoot, but they shoot me off in the pool. And think he vex about I me want to catch.
Intentionally.
Come and say, oh, me go jump off in the pool and I'll get a film right for the woman.
Yo.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
No.
People go ahead and meet a black man down there. You have hope of getting out, eh? Yo, trust me.
Oh gosh.
Real story, man.
Yeah, man, massive. Look, I share photo story in the comment section. The boy, they tell me if I lie, me I tell.
Yeah.
You see me?
Mango.
Richard, man, you know see how much mango they on bench out there so underneath the tree. Lord have mercy.
Yo.
Mango soon they are Jamaica stone dog.
Remember say mango time, you know, as a boy, you know, I really want no food, you know.
That's all.
Mango. Full up with belly.
Even guinea time, as small as this one guinea, you eat the guinea to tell your belly bang.
Ah yes. Go up. A matter of fact, as a boy in Jamaica, any season, I will dinner. Whichever season
We're in.
Yeah.
And that we have.
And if a plum we are going to eat 30. Yo, you ever eat plum so they have colic, yeah? Your belch when you eat a beer fry.
Yeah. Yeah. Go off and make me have a cut appendix.
Jesus.
Yeah, man.
Yo, sometimes people used to want to stop right and go off and say, yo, you see that go growing in your belly.
Yeah, cause that they use to mean in appendix. It go swell up, cause it seed no digest.
But we never understand the time there.
Yeah. You see them not digest. So when me that is it, my boss. Everything good. Big up my boss. Yeah.
What's that, Frank?
So we just there easy.
Alright.
Make a cross after there.
Easy.
So is that energy? Yes, so yes, he said then can't cuss me again. Cause the Joe blade done. You should have just longer than that, man.
It's short.
The rest of Joe blade short, man. Easy chop.
And,
Yeah.
And I'm going to tell you the same.
Yeah.
Side that's active, you know. But the other side, more active.
But yo, me say,
livelier.
the other side did nice too, man.
Yeah, man,
Yes,
the
so
other
nice
side,
too. Come
yeah.
on, give them piece. I'll be a
but,
pattern.
but the other side, real, you encounter more people, interact more and all of that, you see me?
I love it though.
It's nice.
Short, sweet and spicy.
Nice.
So right now, which part that go across now?
Alright,
Talk to
so
me people
over
then.
there, at Eltham. So you have Eltham High School right there, so. I know it's a Brunswick Avenue where we lead you down to Walks Road.
That
You
is
see me?
it.
As them say, we just have finished Jobs Lane. You see me? Yo, so I know we do it. How we spelling go.
Yeah,
You see
I
me?
true, man.
Yeah. So if they want to correct it, they have to go put some other more letters in it.
At that me sip on him up.
Yeah, Jobs Lane.
Jobs there.
Yeah.
Even know I know a job.
Unless when we are going to pull out some, we are going to put it on. If they say, yo, write something about your job, we are saying, no, a job we are right about.
Same thing.
I same thing. You see me?
Yeah. The massive there you have it. Nice, like a simple vibe. Walking the other half of Job's Lane. You see me? I say, man, that is it, my boss. Machine! Machine! See,
It's up my boy.
now, man, I go beg for you, man. I tell him I do nothing wrong. Oh, gosh, man, I'm my brother this. Hold on there. Blessed, good
I
morning.
will not do that something.
No, me not video you, man. I told me off it. Oh, you say, yeah.
Man, please don't wash them hands.
No, that's how me fool. I see him thing catch me. I see him thing me catch me.
We just
Me I beg me want beg for even and my brother. Right now me the one thing stop. Check everything, make sure say everything good there.
Yeah, I'm the bridge.
Mr. Officer at work, you know what I mean? So, I'm my brother this man.
Okay, come show me your life to the part.
Pata, wow. There, man. You call Tyrone?
What is it?
Did you register in your name?
Eh? Yeah, you know.
And I name. You can check it, man. So, with the fire war go on, blessings and respect, man. So, with the easy back and sitting, maybe turn off this until we so come. So, you don't know, we have a big blind a while ago. Seat belt, right around the corner. So, we have big for WG a while ago and thing, but you don't know a thing go. Police them at work, but you know, give him everything in our book. You just give him a taste mouth. Yeah, so, yeah, man, we there massive. So, Bella, come out and rain them, make 30 people them, tell them.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it was an awesome walk. Enjoy every minute of it. And I tell you, people, enough people say, oh, walk by now, go meet up with you. See it now? Two hours out there together.
Man, anybody
walk
reach
by,
out to
walk by
me,
is a real youth, man.
We there, man.
Yeah.
It's a good vibe.
Just cool, man.
Great energy.
Enjoy.
And the same thing I can say about you, you know, you have good vibe. Me and you can do a whole heap of walk.
Cool, man.
Yeah, man, I rate the energy, man.
Yeah, man, that's how
I
things
swear.
man, for real.
Are you your places, Sam? Which part is not Spanish Town you walk?
Yo,
People in the house that
You
tend
know,
to walk Spanish Town,
Alright,
but Judge and one.
you know, say, even though a garden pen kinda, but people over there I give same energy like over here. So. Because people hear things about garden pen, you know, but garden pen, when I walk through, because me don't know if it changed, but when me used to walk through this, even as me big, me drive through the same way. Because as I said, so me there in Jamaica, me have to still, me might not walk like how I walk now, but me still go in that area, drive through, and then still heal up people, you see me?
Yeah.
Like even Thai Pen, Rivali.
Yeah, me walk through Thai Spencer, but I want like a community walk. One day I try link up on my bridge in my artists and go through there.
But watch you know, them have a youth, they don't name big, name page, man.
I will walk through.
Big, yeah, man, they vibes, man, too.
That me want.
Full of vibes, brother.
That me want.
You see, everybody, my youth.
So tell the people them now what cost me about me never walk here that Joe Blaine. If say me actually walk it now so they can watch a video through the end.
Remember, you know, we walk, well, Fabian walk from Featherbed Lane, come at Perry in our one video. Now, he walk from Perry, come to Brunswick. You see what I say? And Brunswick one is a shorter one. So man, he might not do it in a one day. But if you watch previous videos, you will see that side there. And guess what? He's not only showing you Joe Blaine alone. He's showing us Strathmore, Golden Acre, Winterpen, Fairfield Road, the whole place.
Yo, I tell them to subscribe to your channel too,
man. And this is Bella at Mix Vlogs. Like, share, and subscribe. And where is it? 5,000?
Yeah, you want to get to your 5,000.
Alright. So right now we are climbing liquor. Maybe reach 5,000. Thanks in advance. We not get it yet, but me a thank you. You see me?
Yeah.
No, take it and go there.
That is it.
Yeah, you want
Yeah.
it?
Yeah,
Yes, man.
that is it, me teacher. Respect. So, big up and respect to all my Jamaica Walk by Massive. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a great vibe. I'm my brother, Bella at Mix Vlogs. You don't know. Blessings and respect. I got sample that Sperling and my wife, Jamaica Intense. So, heart of love, blessings. Thank you so much again. Big up to the peace officers, them, the police, they were the right round. So, more likely, I go tap a Benz, you know. Jesus and peace. What on there?
You can't put no style for me.
What on there?
Me have
Tell
my
me,
own too.
oh, I call him. I call him, make him go through. Alright then. So,
do you want to go there?
no man, we good man, I done, but yourself if me stop the Benz.
Okay.
So big up, respect, heart of love, thank you so much, and to the next vlog. I'm outside.
That is it.
That is it. We did it.
Yes,
so Joe Blaine done for now. We're done with Joe Blaine and we do it and we get it out of the book. So see it there? We're outside. Mad. Let's do this. Let's go on to the next vlog.
That is it. That is it.